Hi, this is Janet from Try It Like It Create It, and I want to share with you a small dollar store trip I made recently. I went to the doctor's appointment and there was a new Dollar Tree to me over in that area, and so I stopped in specifically looking for a few things, but I'm actually looking for the high top Converse keychain that's sparkly, and I haven't seen it at any of our Dollar Trees yet, but I'm looking for that. So this is what I got instead, and I'm sorry for the shaky camera because I'm holding it by hand. I can't find my mount at the moment, but okay. So I got these zipper bags, sealed bags for a craft project that I'm going to do, and the duct tape that goes with that project. I got a bag of Hershey Drops. This is specifically for me because I had a little bit of a chocolate need when I was at the store, and obviously I haven't opened them yet, but that's what I found. At the checkout, I found fruit stripe gum. Do you remember this? I mean, you have to be pretty old to remember this gum, but I bought it because it brought back some happy memories, and I'm going to share it with my daughters. Then I found, and I bought two of these small canvases, and these are the stretched canvas on wood. And I grabbed them. I don't have a need for them, but this is the first time I have found them at any of our Dollar Trees, and so I grabbed those. And then, which I've talked about before, these Pro Marks, and I said I had hoped that they worked very similar to like an X-Acto knife or other pens that you draw animation with, because that's what my daughters do. And they are running out of these things. They are becoming hard to find, I think because they're changing over brands. But I found a single package at the store, and so I grabbed them. And I've heard other people talking about the fact that they found a metal ruler, and so I grabbed one of those. Traditionally, as an artist, a metal ruler would have a cork backing to it, so I may be putting cork on this in the future to lift it up from the surface that you're cutting on, excuse me. But I found that for $1. I couldn't pass that up. Then they have these cute lip balms, apple, or excuse me, that one's strawberry, and this one is apple. And I'm going to stick those away for a treat for my daughters, and either they're going to go like in a Christmas stocking or a Valentine's Day gift or whatever comes up next. That's going to go away. Then I found this really neat thing from LA Colors. They were kind of out, just kind of scattered around, and there weren't that many of them, but I really liked this one. It's a little book that opens up and has all these eyeshadow shades. Now I know they're not going to have a ton of eyeshadow in them, but these were great colors because they're all neutral. And so I picked this up, and I haven't decided if I'm going to use this or if I'm going to share it with my daughter, but that's it. And I'm hoping it closes magnetically, but if not, I still couldn't pass that up for $1. I also found this Wet n Wild pencil for eyeliner, and I bought it because I always have some, and mine are going low or not sharpening well, so I just grabbed a backup one, and this is in a brown color. And then I found, and I know that these are not new to anybody, but I found these adhesive diamond wrap, and I don't have a plan for it, but I will keep that on hand and use it for something. And the last two things I found were I wanted to replace a white coffee mug I have. This is my favorite mug. I drink tea out of it every day, but the one I have has a crack starting here, and so I'm going to toss that one and replace it with a new one. And then finally I found, and I've never seen these before, they may not be new, but they were new to me, and this is a snow globe. So look forward to doing something with this in the future. It's plastic, it has a lid, it sits on the bottom like that, and you're to fill it up and put a little scene inside and make your own snow globes. That's what I found at the Dollar Tree in the past week, and it was a small haul. But like I said, I was specifically looking for a few things, and I've been to a few Dollar Trees, so I really didn't need much. But I found some new things to me, and I was happy and wanted to share those with you. So thanks for watching.